And I have a 2012 VW Tiguan that I have a problem. It just happened now. I was gonna go out and trying to start. It doesn't start. And they have this push button for the start, and I tried to start it. It just push the brake. It comes out. It says depress brake start. Everything comes on. It's the information ignition on, and that's it. It won't start. My brake feels very stiff. I don't know if that could be the problem. I changed the brake pads and the rear, the two rear ones. So but that's about it. It was done on, I think it was like 2 weeks ago. But I don't think that's the problem. I don't know. It's the press brake, but my brake pedal feels very stiff. So I don't know. If you have any idea if this happened to you on 2012 Tiguan, please let me know. I have no idea what's going on with this car right now. I went out and I parked it, and then this happened. Nothing. Yeah. Push button start. See, the brake thing is kind of sliding, blinking. Ignition on. I noticed that even the radio coming on. Or maybe it's off. What is it? Nothing. Yep. And I don't know. It's weird. Alright, just, let me know, leave your comments below. Let me know if anything like might help me out. Any ideas? Thanks.